Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi and I'm here to show you how to make delicious, tasty recipes for your child's tiffin. Today we're going to make Schezwan Oats Crackers. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So this is an easy, very nutritious recipe. It's got the best of all the flours and the nutrients in them. I'm going to add some wheat flour in this and some oats flour, about half a cup. Now this is very rich in fibre. I've got some soy flour as well. Another very good source of fibre and nutrients. I have some rice flour to make it more crispy. I have some kasuri methi, just a tad of this will do. Some salt, about a tablespoon of yogurt which goes in, and 1 tablespoon of black sesame. I'm going to add Kissan Schezwan Sauce. You just need to add about 1 tablespoon. It's got chili in it, so you want to probably be a little careful in terms of the spice levels. And now I'm going to knead this into a dough. So you have the oats flour, which is rich in fiber. You have the soya flour, which is rich in protein. And this can easily replace the wafers, crisps, all of that. And we're baking this, so it takes away from the fried food and it's absolutely delicious as a snack. So it's barely taken me any time to bind this together, and now I'm going to just roll it out into a thin, flat dough. So I've got 2 pieces of plastic, or you can use waxing paper. And with a rolling pin, you simply flatten it out. Make it as thin as you can. So you really haven't used any oil here. It's absolutely healthy and delicious and fairly straightforward and simple to make. So this is ready. I'm going to sort of cut it into shapes before I put it into the oven, which has been on for about, or you can use the OTG. It's been on for about 10 minutes at about 175 to 200 degrees centigrade. All you need to do is place this on a baking tray and put it in the oven and let it be there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So the Schezwan Oats Crackers are ready and I am all set to pack it in the tiffin. Now you can also use the Kissan Schezwan sauce as a dip if you want. I'm going to pretty much put the whole lot in. It's a perfect snack. And to this, we're going to add some almonds today. And we have some pomegranate. I hope you like this recipe. It's a perfect snack, replaces a lot of what's out there. You can make it very easily at home. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these and send us your feedback and comments. And I'll be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.